The griddle pan is reversible and consists of a rigid side which is ideal for all types of meats and fish, while the flat side is ideal for foods such as mushrooms, onions, fried eggs and pancakes. And the natural properties of the cast iron allow foods such as meat and fish to cook without losing any flavour or moisture. And griddle plate is a great addition to your kitchen and gives an authentic taste and appearance to your cooking.
Fry, stew, bake, and make casseroles in the Presto electric skillet with glass cover. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining. It features a generous cooking surface and high sidewalls. The Control Master heat control maintains the proper cooking temperature automatically, and the tempered glass cover makes it ideal for use as a buffet server. A heavy cast aluminum base with premium non-stick finish inside and out assures stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Even scrambled eggs cook without sticking. Both skillet and cover are fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed.
Freezing food is a great way to avoid waste. This is where our quick thaw defrost tray comes in handy. This tray is made of high quality aluminium, which is an extremely efficient conductor of heat. This means food placed on the tray will warm up to room temperature in a fraction of the time usually needed. Most frozen foods take just 30 to 60 minutes to defrost. The non-slip silicone corners means the tray will grip your work surface securely, and a non-stick coating allows easy cleaning and is also dishwasher safe. Andrew James, making life easier.
Introducing the Cook's Professional Multi-Section Frying Pan, the all-purpose pan that lets you cook 5 different types of food at the same time. No need for separate pots and pans. With its 5 different compartments, this handy all-purpose frying pan does it all. Cooking has never been easier. You can prepare a whole meal in one pan, simply, efficiently and quickly. With its 5 different sized compartments, you can keep meat away from veg and cook fish separately to the rest of your meal. The 5 different sized compartments means you can cater to all diets and taste buds without juggling multiple pans. Compatible with standard, hob and induction cookers, the high-quality pan provides even heat distribution for a smooth cooking process. And the healthy non-stick coating requires less oil and fats when cooking. Plus, you only use 1 burner hob, making it very cost-efficient to use. Its non-stick surface is easy to clean, and there's less washing up as you're only using 1 pan. The multi-section frying pan. Great for busy families, people on the go, students and campers. The perfect answer if you want to eat well and enjoy your food, without any hassle and without any mess.